Hey you guys, so it is July 17th, so quite a while since my last clip that you guys had just saw. I actually just got back from my trip a few days ago. I flew in on Monday night, late night. We didn't get to my house until almost 12 o'clock, and then by the time I got in and got a couple of things like kind of put away just so I wasn't frantic the next morning for work, it was like 1:30 by the time I went to bed, so I was definitely exhausted, and I had to be to work at 9 the next morning. I worked from 9 to about 8, so very long day the next day. So I'm just now catching up on sleep. It's 2 days later, but now it is time to get things done. The laundry is so backed up because of my trip and just not being here. Like, I'll have to show you guys, but there is truly, as you can tell, stuff absolutely everywhere. I haven't even unpacked my suitcase. It's still over here. So definitely have lots and lots to do. So tonight is my night to, sorry, the girls are over there playing. So tonight is definitely my night to get everything caught up on. I just got off work and I stopped at my mom's for about like 45 minutes to hang out and see her. So I'm about to let the dogs out and start cleaning this mess up.